She is finally here. The birth went absolutely beautiful and our little girl is healthy, safe and perfect. But man, the last 3 days have been a wild journey. It is one thing to welcome your first child, but welcoming your second brings a whole new level of perspective. The hardest part of the last 72 hours hasn't been the hospital environment. It has been having my heart divided between two places at once. We have our older child at home, trying to understand what's happening, while we are here in the hospital room waiting for the baby to arrive. Managing these calls from home, making sure the routines are kept and dealing with that dad guilt of not being in two places at once, it is a massive mental puzzle. But you have to be 100% present for the whole birth. But a huge piece of your mind is constantly checking on at home. And that brings me to my wife. I thought I knew how strong she was, but watching her navigate this was superhuman. She wasn't just managing the physical intensity of labor over these last 3 days, she was also actively parenting from a hospital bed, checking in on our child at home and worrying about everyone else before herself. Labor is tough enough on its own, but she faced it with double the emotional weight, showing so much grace and grit. She is an absolute warrior. And I have never, ever have I been more proud of her. I also want to thank you all for your support. Your comments on the voiceover video right before the birth gave us such a massive boost while we were sitting here balancing everything. You guys left some brilliant feedback on what direction we should take this channel next. As we suspected, the food was a big plus point. So expect some brilliant food reviews and some exotic food takes. We want to keep making deep, long-form videos about our family's journey, but honestly, YouTube hasn't been pushing or sharing long-form content very much lately. It is all about short clips right now. If you enjoy our story and want to help us out, the biggest thing you can do right now is to hit the share button, the like button, the subscribe button, and share our latest camping videos. Sharing those long-form videos with your friends helps us beat the algorithm and keeps this channel alive. We are officially entering a brand new chapter of parenting, camping, and content. I want to build it with you. Drop your best tips in the comments below on how to survive the first few weeks of handling 2 kids at once. I'm going to need it. I'm going to need all the help I can get. For now, I'm heading back to dad duty. Thank you for the love, for those camping videos, and I'll see you in the next one. And also remember, our latest video just dropped yesterday, and it is a beautiful camping video with some beautiful food shots, some beautiful 4x4ing, and a fantastic atmosphere. Thank you so much.